Do you have slow Wi-Fi? So slow that a simple page refuses to load. Well then, hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing the fastest method to get faster Wi-Fi. Firstly, navigate into Settings and click on Network. After that, click on Advanced. Click on DNS. Click the Add button and input 1.1.1.1 and click it again and put 1.0.0.1. Click OK and then click Apply. Before I show you the results of this trick, take a look at this graph. Yeah, if you want to support my videos, please smash that subscribe button. Now let's move on to the results. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.